Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation video of ecosystem. Today we are going to learn about the food pyramid and the interdependence between the organism. In the previous video already we have studied about that the food chain and food web. So student, as you know about that the how the organisms are depend on each other for a food. Let us start this video with the food pyramid. You know that what is the pyramid means? Pyramid means what? It is the pyramid means it the figure or shape that base the broad base and the narrow apex. This shape is called as the pyramid, and the food pyramid made in that shape showing the food chain. Means what? The base of pyramid is broad and apex is narrow, and base of pyramid represent the producer and apex of the pyramid it represent the tertiary consumers, means the food chain which we show with the help of pyramid. This is called as the food pyramid. There are three types of the food pyramid. Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. See this picture. This is a food pyramid. In the base is a producer, then primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. Means it is a food chain, and with the help of the pyramid we can show the food chain. This is called as the food pyramid, and there are three types of the food pyramid. First, let us see what is mean by the pyramids of number. Pyramids of number means the pyramids of food show the number of individual at each trophic level is an food chain of an ecosystem. This is called as the number of food pyramid. See, let us see the example. If the grown up tiger must have eaten several number of deers in the lifetime, each one deer must have eaten hundred and thousand of grass twins. This is the term the number of individual consumed at each level. This is called as the pyramids of number. Got it, student? What is mean by pyramids of number? Pyramids of biomass. Pyramids of biomass means the pyramid of food show the mass of animal, means the body mass of animal of individual in each trophic level in the food chain of an ecosystem. This pyramid is called pyramid of biomass. Let us see the example. See student, means the largest mass consumed in the first level, means for example grass is a producer, the deer eating the large number of grass, and which does not lead to the same mass flesh of deer. Next again, the total mass of flesh of deer eaten by tiger in its lifetime must have been several times of its own body. Got it? What is mean by pyramid of mass? Is for example, this is the mass of grass. This mass of grass eaten by the deer. This mass of deer eaten by the fox, and this mass of fox eaten by the tiger, lion, tertiary consumer. This pyramid is called as the pyramid of biomass. And pyramid of energy means it is the show the energy which is flow from one organism to the another organism in the pyramid. Got it, student? What is mean by food pyramid? Food pyramid means it is the shape or diagram in the base is a broad and apex is a narrow. In that pyramid we can take the food chain. Got it, student? Let us see the interdependence between the organism. I told you trophic level means what? It is a position that an organism occupy in the food chain. In the producer, the grass, it is the first trophic level. primary consumer, second trophic level, secondary consumer, third trophic level. Means the trophic level means it's a position that the organism occupy in the food chain. And flora and fauna means what? Flora means the plant life represent in an ecosystem, and fauna means the animal life represent in ecosystem. All living organism, plant and animal, which is interdependence between each other. See, as you know that student, we are animal, we get the oxygen, food, shelter from the plant, and as well as also plant purify the atmosphere. Means these things we get from the plant. So the animals is depend on the plant, as well as plant is also depend on the animal. Because why? The plant is need the animal for a pollination, dispersal of the seed, and when the predator is die, decompose, and their nutrient is back to the soil, and these nutrient again absorbed by the plant and make the food. Means the plant is also need for animal. Means it is in that way the plant and animals are interdependent to each other. In the interdependence between the organism arise from the interaction of the population of the two different species. Some interaction could be harmful, some interaction could be beneficial, neutral for one species or both species. There are three relationships: symbiosis, parasitism, and predation. One by one we will see how does the organisms are interdependent to each other. Some are beneficial and some are harmful also. First we see symbiosis. Symbiosis, in this interaction both interacting species are benefited. Means why? See this picture. In that picture the honeybee sucking the nectar. Means the honeybee is depend for the flower for a nectar, as well as some anther, some pollen grains are stuck to the legs of the honeybee, and in that way the pollination process is happening. Means what happen? Both the flower plant and the animal both are benefited in that interaction. Got it, student? Another example of symbiosis is a lichen. Have you seen the lichen? Means the lichen in which the fungus and the photosynthetic algae live in the symbiotic relationship. They are absorbing the nutrient to each other. Got it? It is also good example of lichen symbiosis. In another example, plant and animal also. We take the oxygen from the plant and we give the carbon dioxide to the plant. Got it? Means they are both, plant and animal both are benefited in that interaction. Got it, student? What is mean by symbiosis? Another main example, Rhizobium bacteria. This bacteria which is present on the roots of peanut, and this bacteria fixation of the nitrogen into the nitrate, and this nitrate absorbed by the plant. Got it, student? Symbiosis means in this interaction both interacting species are benefited. Next relationship is the parasitism. Parasitism is the relationship between two organisms where one organism is a parasite and another organism is a host. Means the parasite is the beneficial and host is the loss. Means it is the affected for the parasite. For example, the mosquito. Mosquito is a parasite. Mosquito sucking the blood from the human being. The human being is a host and the mosquito is the parasite. What is, student? Means in that way they are interaction, but in that interaction one species is advantageous and another species is a disadvantageous. Got it, student? Another example, the malaria parasite, Plasmodium. It need to intermediate the host. Mosquito is a vector and to spread other host to the man. Got it, student? Any more example? Housefly, headbug, bedbug. These are also means many parasite which is available in the ecosystem. Understood, student? Parasitism. Next relationship is the predation. Predation means what? A predator catches and kill the other organism for a food. This is called as the predation. Means the one organism is a beneficial and another is the harmful. Means it is the predation means, for example, the given example, there is a picture. In that picture show the leopard catches the deer and kill it and eat it. Got it? Means it is a leopard is the predator. Understood, student? What is the relationship? In that relationship, the leopard is the predator. It is the catches and kill the deer as a food. In that way, the all living organisms interdependence in between, and in between some are positive and some are negative relationship. Means symbiosis is a positive relationship because both are benefited. Parasitism, it is a negative because only one organism is a benefited, another organism is a harmful. And the predation, it is also negative because why? Only predator is the beneficial and the another organism which is killed by the predator. Got it, student? What is the interdependence between the organism? In that video we have studied about that the food pyramid and interdependence between the organism. Food pyramid, it is a diagram of pyramid. The base is broad and apex is a narrow. In that diagram we show the food chain on our ecosystem, and interdependence means the organism which is depend to each other. There are three relationships: symbiosis, parasitism and predation. Understood, student? Thank you.